I better get that. Hello, this is Costa's hotline. If you grow it, I'll know it. How can I help you?
Hey Costa, I want to know, what's the difference between a herb and a spice?
Oh, that's a great question. To put it simply, herbs and spices come from different parts of a plant. A herb is the leafy green part of the plant. So think basil leaves, rosemary, sage and parsley, all leafy and green. Whereas a spice, well, it can come from the root, the stem, the seed, the fruit, the flower or the bark of a tree or plant, like coriander seeds, peppercorns or cinnamon bark. Herbs and spices do one thing in common though. They make our food delicious and more full of flavour. There's so many cool facts out there, so keep digging deeper.
Thanks Costa, bye!
Thanks for calling Costa's hotline. Bye!
Native Garden.
There are so many different species of Australian native plant that are used by First Nations people as food, as medicine and for ceremony. The three plants that I have with me today are often referred to as herbs. This little beauty is one of my favourites. This is lemon myrtle and as the name suggests, smells a lot like lemon. Used traditionally as a medicine for clearing your sinuses or getting rid of a bit of a cold. All you have to do is just smell it. You can do that all day long. It's beautiful. Now, related to this fella is cinnamon myrtle, and as the name suggests, smells and tastes a lot like cinnamon. Now, when we come to power-packed flavour, we're talking about river mint, and its botanic name is Mentha australis. So mentha, mint, australis, of course, we know where it comes from. The flavour is so strong and just so beautiful. It gives a really minty, fresh breath taste. Oh, fantastic. But of course, it's no substitute for cleaning your teeth every night before bed.
Game changer.
Are you always forgetting the names of plants in your garden? Then check out this game changer. Forget-me-not rocks. I can show you how to make them. First, you need to gather some cool-looking rocks from your garden. Next, you need some colourful paint. And then you can let your imagination run wild. You can paint your favourite things from the garden on your rocks. Herbs, flowers, critters. Mine's a butterfly. And now, write the names of your plants on the bottom of your rocks and they're ready to be placed in the garden. Forget-me-not rocks. They are a game changer.